Hi everyone, this is Will with Half Passed Out. Thanks for joining me today. I'll be doing an unboxing of my Zelos Blacktip Aventurine that I was able to order on December 27th, 2023. I did a drop alert, so this is kind of a follow-up to that. That said, at the time of the drop alert, this watch had already sold out. It sold out within, I think, 2 minutes. So the Aventurines are typically the ones to sell it the quickest and the hardest to get a hold of. I've waited a long time to get a hold of this one, and I am ecstatic that it's already here. I know on the website, get this open. On the website, it said that it was going to be 3 to 4 weeks. And it's Jan 11 now, so definitely exceeded expectations. Even on DHL, the shipping email notification I got was Jan 25th, I believe. So I can't believe it's already here, but nonetheless, very excited. I'll do one last wrist check with this piece before I likely take it off. It's going to be my Series 800 Movado chronograph. Get this guy off just for this video, though. We had a listener recently make us these nice Half Passed Out branded gloves. Very excited to use them for this drop. So, Zelos box. Nice branded box there. And I know up top here is going to be that warranty card. It is a nice, I think it's aluminum, just metal feeling. Again, warranty card. I know it's easy to just stick a piece of paper and give you the serial number and whatnot, but I think this is a nice touch from Zelos. It's this aluminum engraved card. Big fan of that, so I'll leave that off to the side for now. Got the Zelos watch roll here, as you can see. Looks good. It's a nice navy blue. And without further ado, there's the watch itself. There's the Aventurine dial. It looks astonishing in person. The dial will likely be tough to capture, but I'll do my best. For those who don't know, Aventurine's got this starry night sky look with kind of a black backdrop. But let's see if I can do my best to get it in there for you. You can kind of see it glitter and sparkle. It looks so good in person. You just can't. Let's see if we can get some more light in there. I wish I could replicate what I'm seeing myself, but I'm doing my best. The bezel also has an Aventurine pattern on it as well. It's the first time he's ever added an Aventurine bezel in addition to the dial, and I think it looks, honestly, it stands out even more than the press photos. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to get this on. So it likely won't fit me as I'm doing an unboxing, so it's going to come with all of its links. So, but we'll put it on, get it flush against my wrist here. I'm going to get one glove off just so you guys have a reference. There's that guy. Again, I wish I could replicate what I'm seeing in person with the Aventurine effect within the dial. I love the smooth second hand that it's got from that beautiful movement. And there is the case back. So, really well finished watch. You know, I've raved about Zelos a bunch on our podcast, and I'm really excited to have it here in person, finally. It's been a long wait. I've talked about it so much, and I'm finally happy that the wait is over. So thanks, everybody, for tuning in and joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any feedback, we'd love to hear it, or any just general criticism for Christian or Hunter, who should be making his appearance shortly for this. But again, thanks, everyone, for joining. I hope you have a good rest of your week. Thanks.